Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza professionally. First, let's master the dough. Combine 500 grams of high-quality flour with 300 milliliters of water, 7 grams of active dry yeast, and 10 grams of salt. Knead the mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, let it proof in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. This crucial step builds flavor and texture. Next, let's focus on the sauce and toppings. A professional pizza starts with a simple, fresh tomato sauce. Use ripe tomatoes, a touch of olive oil, garlic, and basil. Avoid over-seasoning, let the natural flavors shine. For toppings, choose fresh, high-quality ingredients. Slice vegetables thinly for even cooking and pre-cook any meats like sausage or bacon. Remember, less is often more for a balanced flavor profile. Now for shaping and baking. Gently stretch your proof dough by hand, working from the center outwards, to create a thin, even crust with a slightly raised edge. Avoid using a rolling pin, as it can deflate the air bubbles. Transfer your pizza to a preheated pizza stone or steel in an oven set to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes, rotating it halfway through for a perfectly golden, crispy crust. Finally, the finishing touches. Once your pizza is out of the oven, a light drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh basil can elevate the flavors. Let the pizza rest for 2 to 3 minutes before slicing. This allows the cheese to set and prevents toppings from sliding off. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, there's a fantastic book linked there too. Enjoy your professional-grade pizza.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.